Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bean soup with dried beans. First, preparing your dried beans is crucial for a delicious soup. Soaking them helps reduce cooking time and makes them more digestible. You can choose a quick soak method by boiling them for just 1 minute and then letting them rest for 1 hour. Alternatively, an overnight soak, where beans sit in water for at least 8 hours, works wonderfully. This simple step ensures your beans cook evenly and become perfectly tender. Once your beans are properly soaked, it is time to cook them. First, drain and rinse the beans very well under cold, running water. Then transfer them to a large pot and add fresh water, ensuring they are covered by about 2 inches. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer gently. Cook them for approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Remember, cooking times can vary based on the bean type. Now, let us build the flavorful base for your bean soup. In a separate pot, begin by sautéing aromatic vegetables such as diced onions, carrots, and celery in a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil until they soften. Next, stir in minced garlic and your favorite herbs and spices, like thyme or bay leaves, for a minute until fragrant. Finally, pour in about 6 cups of vegetable or chicken broth and perhaps a can of diced tomatoes to create a rich foundation. For the final steps, combine your tender, cooked beans with the aromatic soup base in a large pot. Stir everything together gently, ensuring all the wonderful flavors are well distributed. Allow the soup to simmer for at least 30 minutes or even longer to let the ingredients meld beautifully. Before serving, taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your homemade, hearty bean soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.